Hey, it's Mom and Aiden, and we're here to look at the things that Aiden got from Target today.
Unbox.
With what?
Unbox the toy.
Unbox the toys that Aiden got from Target today.
The DVD.
The DVD.
Called
Birds of Prey.
From
Birds of Prey.
From
Here, I'm trying to read it.
Harley Quinn.
From Harley Quinn.
There's a sticker on it. It
Yep.
says
includes bonus disc, special features.
Special features.
Special features.
No, special features.
Special features.
So, tell me.
Here it is.
Say, here's the front.
Here's the front. There's the side. There's the back.
Now I'm gonna open it up.
Okay. There's the parent's guide in the DVDs.
Yeah,
1, 2.
I have a bonus disc.
There's a bonus disc.